In this demonstration, we're going to look at cannabis products. Now, with any of our test kits, if you're ever unsure as to the exact type of positive, what is a positive indication, it's always good to do a true negative, meaning just obtain the strip and the swab for whichever test it is, and knowing that you've got absolutely nothing on there, just see what it does, and we can then compare it afterwards. So there's a true negative result. Now we're going to actually look at some suspicious liquid. In this case, it does have cannabis product. And we open up the container. And let's just say, for example, there's a little bit of suspicious liquid there. We get another one of our swabs. This could be plant material. There's a suspicious liquid, and we dab it onto the actual test kit and we start getting an indication. And that's a positive indication for cannabis product containing cannabinoids and THC. So you can see the direct comparison.